cars.
Yeah, no, it's private property. It belongs to Westfield Mall,
Right.
but it's open to the public.
Right.
So was it a scam that
Yeah.
they were doing? Oh, okay.
He's just taking advantage of people coming in.
Okay, so we knew it. We literally knew it.
The other side was doing the same thing. He's like, you got to pay $10. I'm like, why?
No. So, if there is, you gotta have fines.
Right.
You gotta have it's gotta be set up. Dude.
Right.
Yeah.
If you're charging for the hotel across the street,
Yeah.
well, you gotta have a place cordoned off. You can't just have the whole parking lot. That's just
Yeah.
stupid.
He said they're stopped at each corner and they're charging everyone entrance.
We'll see what security
Yeah.
has to say.
Yeah.
He said he was with officers earlier.
No, that's crazy.